So I tried this one, and this is the third in a series of Module 1 Cengage assignments that I'm looking at. And I'm a little concerned, but let's see how we go. Right, so which employee has a salary value of $8,100? So what I had to do is I had to download the Cengage, the JC Consulting database, and it looks like it's okay, right? So just by eyeballing it, I can go through here and select the one person who has an $8,100 salary, and it's Nathan Geller, right? So I think we can do that one. Let's just check my work. It looks good. So what client is not a government entity? So let's have a look at the clients table for this time, right? And we've got a flag that says whether it's a government entity, and we want to see the ones that aren't, and I'm just going to double click on there and maybe double click on the whole thing if it'll let me, and get something reasonably readable. That looks good. So who's it? Project Lead the Way. Let's sort by, right, Project Lead the Way looks like it is not there. Aspire Associates, they are there, and they're not government. But let's check the others. The Help Card, I can't see them there, and all are government entities. Well, I think Aspire Associates, right, is in our list. There it is there, and it is not a government entity. Which projects had an estimated start date prior to January 1st, 2020? So let's have a look at projects this time. And I'm going to do my usual trick and double click that. So there's the project start date. And I'm going to project start date prior to the 1st of the 1st, 2020. So they're the only ones. 1, 2, 3, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 7. Right, so that's the way you do that one. I won't do all of these, I'll just do a couple of them. List project line item values that are related to project ID 3. Project line item values, and again, just to make it a little easier, and we want just here, the nice thing we can do, just like in Excel, right, we can do that, meet OO and plan OO, which are items 8 and 9. So it's B is the answer. Okay, that looks good. And let's have a look at this one. List the name of the client related to project ID 3. So let's go back to our projects, and there's project ID 3. There's the employee ID. There's the client ID is 3. So I think we're filtering this. Let's we're filtering this one, aren't we? So let's select all, so we're not filtering it all. And let's do that. And it looks like client ID 3 is Mid-States Auto Auction. So that's C. Okay, so that should get you halfway there, and I suggest you try the other half.